need to make the dice. So let's get started. Our miter saw. I need a drill. Yeah. 3/4 auger bit. Yeah. Paint and a brush. And we're gonna need a router. And we're gonna use the 3/8 round over. I'm gonna be using my table router, but you could use a hand router. We're gonna run this puppy through. Now that we got our board all routed up, nice and smooth on the edges, we're going to cut on the miter saw every 4 inches. There's one right there. Okay, now that we got our 5 blocks, I'm gonna go back to the router and I'll run them through. Make sure I get them rounded over. Alright, now that we got our dice all rounded up, we're going to use our drill and we're going to use our 3/4 auger bit. I used a vice grip just to make things a little bit easier, and I'm going to start drilling. I'll start with 6, I guess. You can go as deep as you want. And there we go. There's 6. And you want to make sure it always equals up to 7. So you got 6, and then you flip it over, you'll do 1, and then this will be 4, or 3. So you flip it over, and this side will be 3. Got the 2 and the 5. I'll do the 2 first. And flip it. almost got to 5. There. Just got to do 4 more. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and maybe hit that subscribe button. Alright, peace out.